Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are just joining for the first time, my name is Elias. I've been traveling the world for a couple of years now. Feel free to check out some of my other videos to see my journey along the way. I decided to make this video today to document my life while living abroad in Ukraine, given the current situation with the war. I did have some really good memories of my life there in this country, and I will say it's an amazing country to visit before the situation, and I'm sure it will rebuild in a couple of years, and it'll still be an amazing country, as you can see from the strong people that are living there and the strong Ukrainians that are fighting for their country. I did have some really good memories here with my life there, and I wanted to share in this video. So feel free to watch, subscribe if you like the content. I plan on creating a few more videos in this series about my life and experiences in Ukraine. So feel free to hit that like button and leave some comments on topics related to the series that you might want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Guys, I'm here by the famous Independence Monument in the center of Kyiv. This area is known as Maidan Square. A lot of history here. I'll be discussing a little later, but just wanted to show you guys a little couple of views from this area here. This is a time during the pandemic, so you can see many people. It's also early in the morning, so not many, but you'll see a couple of people just walking by, jogging. But this is a very popular area in the summer months and any time of the year, really. It's just beautiful, and you'll normally see tons of people just gathering around here, relaxing, enjoying the fountains, which is this is where I'm standing right now. So the fountains here. Obviously not working at this time, but it's just a beautiful sight during the summer months. Take pictures here. A lot of it's main tourist attraction here in Kyiv, as you probably have seen maybe in videos of Kyiv. But it's just a beautiful place, gathering point. I'm standing now overlooking Maidan Square, which is another, obviously central part of the city of Kyiv. Just a beautiful place. Once the weather gets better, you'll see, and obviously after the pandemic, there'll be a lot more people here. Fountains usually, and music, just a really great place to enjoy the day. So just wanted to show a little footage there of early morning in Kyiv. During this period of time during the quarantine and pandemic, it's started to pick up and more people are on the road. As some businesses are starting to open up here.
So I hope you guys are liking the video so far. One of the things I hope you notice is the amazing people, the life, the energy of the Ukrainians before this war, the beautiful parks, just how people were out and about in the city streets enjoying life before the invasion. And it's very sad for me to sit and watch and actually make this video, because I know and experience all of this firsthand, and I met some of the most amazing people of my life while living in this country. And I really pray and hope that This country will rebuild itself, and I believe it will. And I just wanted to share with you guys how great the country of Ukraine is. So feel free to continue watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you.
Buena